Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but today I have with me a new and exciting project. So a fellow keyboard enthusiast by the name of Hannn has recently created and designed a new aftermarket housing for the HHKB Pro model. So the aftermarket housing is called the H2H. It has a two-tone anodized design. Now I'm going to be doing the build video today. In terms of the sound test, I'll let you be the judge of that. So the gig hack link and the group buy details are in the description down below. Be sure to check it out and have a good one.